Hello guys, welcome back. So in today's video, again using IntelliJ Java, and in today's video I will show you how can you create your own method in a Java program and then use that method, means calling that method. So first of all, creating a method is called as declaring a method, and using that method is known as calling that method. And how do you call any person? If you are calling your friend, you call him or her by her or his name, right? So in that way you will create a method by giving it a name, and then you will call that method in the main method by its name. In the previous video, that was the basic program of Java, I showed you how to print hello world or any other string or any other element in the output panel using core Java. In today's video I will show you that how can you simply create a method. And as you know that the most important method of any Java program is main method. So first of all, starting the programming, declaring class, name of the file is method, so definitely the class will also be method, curly braces, then public static void main, the main method. I am again repeating in today's video because I told this same thing in the previous one, that the main method is the most important method. Why? Because when the compiler runs a Java program, it just follows the statements that are written in main method. Main method is actually the method that tells the compiler what to do and what not. So the most important method is main. We will create a method that will out of this block. A block is called this, the range between opening curly brace and closing curly brace. This is the block of main method. So we will declare a method after this block but inside the class block. Repeating again, when you are declaring a method, that method should be inside the class but out of the main method. Creating my own method, that is public static void, because I don't want the method to return any value, so I am not using the return keyword also, so I am using here void so that it does not returns any value. And give the method any name. I can name it by Arpan, that's my name, or I can simply name it as my method, or anything else. I can name it even Java, I can even name it Windows, I can even name it ARBX. Here I am using myMethod as the method name. Then, as you know, in Java the parentheses are actually the identity. You can call it an identity that yes, this is a method. A method is incomplete without these parentheses. Then curly braces, because what this method will do, that will be in this block. You can also here give some parameters. I will discuss about parameters someday else, because I will make a video on parameters also. So now what my method will do, I can do anything, but I will today print something in this method, System.out.println, and simply any text hello world. Now to show you what happens if you don't call this method in the main method, I will compile and run it. It's a common sense that this program will not work if I don't call the myMethod inside the main method, but still I am running it to show you what can happen. Running the method, running the program. You can see there is no output. The program ran and finished, but there is no output because I have not called this method in the main method. Now calling the method simply by its name. Calling the method means simply mentioning the method name in the main method. You can see the output now. Now there is string printed, that is hello world, because previously what I did, I declared a method. I actually declared this method, but I didn't call it. It will not give any compile error or any syntax error, but it will not give any output until you call this method. In this way you can create or declare any method and call it in under the main method. The most important thing is declaring class and declaring main method. That's all.